Hello everyone. Today we have something truly special in store for you. We'll be taking an in-depth look at a stunning Taj Mahal Revit model. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Also, make sure to check out the link in the description to become a Civilmix Patreon member for exclusive access to this model and much more. Now, let's get to the main event, the Taj Mahal. As you can see on the screen, this is a meticulously detailed Revit model of the iconic Taj Mahal. Every intricate architectural detail has been faithfully recreated in 3D. From the majestic domes to the intricate carvings, it's all here, allowing you to explore this wonder of the world in the digital realm. But here's the exciting part. You can download this incredible Taj Mahal Revit model by becoming a Civilmix Patreon member. The link is right down in the description. By joining our Patreon community, you not only get access to this model, but also unlock a treasure trove of Revit models and families for your architectural projects. And it doesn't stop at the Taj Mahal. As a Civilmix Patreon member, you'll gain access to a vast library of 10 GB plus of Revit models and families. Whether you're an architect, engineer, or designer, this resource will be invaluable for your work. Just imagine the time and effort you'll save by having access to a wide range of assets at your fingertips. So, why wait? Join our Patreon community today and take your architectural projects to the next level with this Taj Mahal Revit model and a wealth of other resources. Your support helps us continue creating quality content and providing you with these amazing assets. Click the link in the description and become a Civilmix Patreon member now. That wraps up today's video showcasing this incredible Taj Mahal Revit model. We hope you enjoyed the tour and are as excited as we are about the possibilities it offers. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more fantastic content. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy designing.